Hello guys, welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we are going to look into example 2 bit 2 from chapter 5 called arithmetic progression. So let's see what exactly we have in example 2 bit 2. So coming to example 2, it is given like which of the following list of numbers form an AP. If they form an AP, write the next two terms. And the given number sequence is 1, -1, -3, -5. That means the question says that, or the question asks us to find out if the given number sequence forms an arithmetic progression, and if the number forms an arithmetic progression, then we need to find out the next two terms. So let's see how we can solve this question. So moving on to the solution. Now let us put down the question here, like here we need to find out number A, if the below list of number forms an AP, that is arithmetic progression. Number B, if it forms an arithmetic progression, then we need to write the next two terms. Just we are writing down the question so that it will be helpful to understand and will not miss out any points. Now given number sequence is like 1, -1, -3, -5 and so on. So as usual, let us put the number sequence in a tabular form. So guys, as I told you earlier in my earlier videos that we are going to put this number sequence in a tabular form so that it will help us to understand the number series, as well as it will also help us to do our calculation easily. So moving ahead, we have created a table with first term, second term, third term and fourth term. And in the first term, we are putting the first number, that is 1. Second term, we are putting -1. Third term we are putting -3, fourth term we are putting -5, and similarly we are naming first term as A1, second term as A2, third term as A3 and fourth term as A4. Now let us find out the common difference, guys, because if we calculate the common difference, then only we can understand if that series particularly forms the arithmetic progression or not. So let's see. Now subtracting A4 minus A3, that is fourth term minus third term, that is equal to -5 minus -3. So that is equal to -5 plus 3, that is equal to -2. Now subtracting A3 minus A2, that is equal to third term minus second term. So that is equal to -3 minus -1, that is equal to -3 plus 1, because minus into minus becomes plus. So we are doing like -3 plus 1, and that is equal to -2. Now subtracting A2 minus A1, that is second term minus first term, we are getting like -1 minus 1, that is equal to -1 minus 1, that is equal to -2. So guys, we could see that we are getting a common difference of -2. Therefore, as the common difference D is equal to -2 among the consecutive numbers, hence this list forms an arithmetic progression. Guys, we very well know that if the common difference is consistent, then it forms an arithmetic it forms an arithmetic progression. So here this given number sequence forms an arithmetic progression. So now as the number sequence forms the arithmetic progression, so let us now find out the next two terms. Now the difference is like -2. So what we'll do, like if we add to the fourth term -2, then we'll get the fifth term. Similarly, if we add -2 to the fifth term, then we will get the sixth term. Now let's see how exactly we are going to do. Now A5 or the fifth term is equal to A4 plus -2 is equal to -5 minus 2, that is equal to -7. Similarly, A6 is equal to A5 plus -2, that is equal to -7, because we got A5 as -7, so we are replacing that value here in A5, and we are doing our calculation like -7 -2, and that is equal to -9. Therefore the next two terms are -7 and -9. So guys, if you look into the number series, like the first term is 1, -1, -3, -5, and the two terms that we calculated, like fifth term is -7 and sixth term is -9. Hope guys you understood this calculation. If you have any questions or concerns, kindly write to me in the comment section of this video. I will definitely get back to you once I see your comments. If you really like my videos, kindly subscribe and let your friends know. This will motivate me to make similar type of videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.